Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, March 17th. So, St. Patrick's Day. So, hope you're wearing green of some sort. Yeah. So, what's going on today in news from forexfactory.com? Well, at 8:15 we had ADP monthly employment change, which came in at 9K. That's certainly not very much. 10 a.m. we have pending home sales month over month, and that is the only item we have during market hours. After market hours at 4:30, we have API weekly statistical bulletin. So not a lot of scheduled news. However, we still have lots of news coming out of the Middle East, as you all know. So moving on from that, let's look at daily charts. We are gapping up this morning. Yesterday, we had a big up day. However, you can see that the volume is very, very low because this is rollover week. So half the volume is on this contract, which is the June contract, and the other half is still on the March contract. So for the next couple of days, this will eventually come back to normal volumes. So we'll wait and see what happens with that. Okay. So volume is not going to help us much as we speak now because we're in this transition week determining which contract we're going to be using, with the March expiring on Friday and the June becoming the front contract or the current contract. So where we got to go? Well, we're right up against some resistance here around 67.85. I think we could maybe go up to that high volume node at 68.18, certainly within reach. Also, if you go a little bit higher up, 68.51. On the downside, this grouping of lows is still within reach. 66.56 is what it is. Moving on, looking at the inventory was positive, but only by about 1,400 contracts on a big update. So that's a little suspect, but it's still positive, and these are correlated, so nothing to worry about there. Looking at the overnight action, so overnight action about 65 points, which is a lot. However, it's less than we've had. So 65, not too bad. Yesterday was 85. We've been in the hundreds last week. So yeah, it is. Is it coming back down? No, but it's not quite as high as it has been. Where do we have intraday support and resistance? So resistance on the top side, some confluence just under 6,800, 67.98, 68.13, 68.26, 68.40. Support below price 67.21, 67.03, of course 6,700 the whole number, and 66.87, 66.78, and that's about all I'm going to talk about. So Stock Trader's Almanac for today is highly positive. 66.7% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.